Do you know what a cartogram is? Can you create a choropleth map of a country? Yeah, me neither, but this video will show you how to do both these things. First, you need to learn about choropleth maps. I'm just going to let my friend Jude explain what a choropleth map is.
Thanks. A choropleth map is a map that shows people the population distribution throughout a region, country, or continent. The data gathered from these maps show the population density of a country.
Now on to cartograms.
Thanks, Jude. A cartogram is a map that is sized differently depending on the indicator. If I created a cartogram map of the world based on population, Canada would be smaller than it actually is, and the UK would look a lot bigger.
Here we have a country we made up, country X. Country X is divided into 9 regions: north, northwest, west, southwest, south, southeast, east, northeast, and the central. The country's capital is in the northeast of the central.
All we have to do to make a choropleth map is define the amount of people per square kilometer in each region.
In country X, the 9 regions are divided into separate populations. The 2 keys shown here demonstrate how the population is spread out in country X. If the population is sparsely populated, a designated color is used to color in that country. As the South is sparsely populated, it is colored blue, as shown in the key.
Here are some other examples.
Here are 2 other examples of cartograms. This is a cartogram of the world according to its amount of internet users. The US and the whole of Europe is doubled in size. These are first world countries and therefore have access to much advanced technology. South Africa, Central America, and countries in Southeast Asia and South Asia look very small compared to their actual size on the map. This is because these are third world countries, so they have less access or no access at all to devices with internet or have no money to purchase these devices.
Here is a cartogram of age of death. The larger the country looks, the higher the death rate of the country is. The US, most of the Western Europe, and South America are barely visible on the map. This means that the death rates in these countries are extremely low. This is most likely because the quality of healthcare in the areas are great. India, the east of the Middle East, the west of Africa, and the Philippines looks larger than it would in real life. This is because the healthcare in these countries are not very good. The living conditions in these places are also not very healthy. The east of the Middle East, in most parts, have a high death rate due to many wars in this area.